What's up, gang? So let's talk events number 7 and 8 for the free range 10-year anniversary in-house competition. These are to be done back to back, and they have to be done in this order. The first one is a little speed, agility, accuracy, coordination challenge. We're calling it the Chalkboard eraser test. I get the name from when we were in junior high. It was one of the little tests we did in our PE classes, and I always thought it was fun because you got to go really hard for a short amount of time. It wasn't anything that was going to leave you too exhausted, but it was a cool combination of being fast, being able to be agile. You had to have some hand-eye coordination, and if any of those were kind of lacking, you would find out real quickly. But you could really easily start to improve on them if you were newer to it or if you didn't have a whole lot of practice in them just by doing this a few times. So I'm going to show you the course and give you like a brief rundown of what it looks like. You can see behind me here, we've got a starting line and then several lines down the length of the gym. In total, this is going to be about 100 yards or 100 meters, give or take a few feet, or centimeters, depending on how you slice it here. But the idea is simple. You're going to start behind this line. You're going to run out until you get to the first box where there's a tennis ball, and you're going to grab that tennis ball, bring it back, place it behind the start line, turn around, go to the far end of the room, pick up another tennis ball, bring it back here. You're going to switch tennis balls. They both have to stay behind the line. You will run back to the first box. You'll place the tennis ball back in that box, come back, retrieve the last one, take it all the way to the end. Once you put it down, then you're going to come back and you will finish at the starting line, or you will finish actually at the finish line, which will give you enough time to kind of decelerate. It's very quick. There's lots of change of direction. We are going to practice the course a few times this week at like half, maybe 50 to 60% speed, just to get your body used to all the change of direction. This is a great way to kind of test and maybe even build some agility, but if you give it too much gas too soon after having never done anything like this, you could totally expose yourself to some potential for injury. So be smart about it, get a feel for it, and when it feels good, take it at a speed that feels right for you. So here's a brief, like half speed look at it. On 3, 2, 1, go. I'm starting behind the start line. I'll run. Pick up the first tennis ball. Place it behind the start line. Run down to grab the second tennis ball. I will put it down, switch, balls get the other one. Put it back in the box. Get the final tennis ball. Back to this box. Time stops as soon as I get past the finish line. A lot of starting and stopping, change of direction, accuracy. The score is your time to completion, and it only counts, so we're calling this a pass-fail, if at the end of the workout both tennis balls are still in the box. So you have to make sure that you place them accurately. You can't just kind of toss them in the general direction. They have to be resting inside the box and stay there for the workout to count. If you don't get it, you can always recover and start over, but it's one of those things, accuracy is a component to it. This workout, like I said, is done back to back with workout number 8. So as soon as you finish, we're going to have a rest period, so the clock starts on your rest, and then we'll transition into workout number 8.